Universal Studios Hollywood has recently announced that the animal actors and special effects stage, both located at an upper lot of the park, would close permanently on January 8, 2023.
Concurrently, Production Central Store will also close at the same time. The official reason for this is currently unknown, but it's very likely this is related to the upcoming Fast and Furious coaster that will take place sometime at the end of 2024. I'm honestly excited about this because it would provide Universal Studios Hollywood with a new window of opportunity, and given the direction that USH is heading at the moment, the closures of both shows mark a new chapter in Universal Studios Hollywood's direction as it moves slowly from behind-the-scenes concept we've seen decades before to thrilling the guests with story-based IPs. Going in the Orlando sister park direction, the Fast and Furious Supercharged in 2015 practically changed the park's direction, along with the upcoming Super Nintendo World slated to open in early 2023. Basically, the times were behind us and Universal Studios Hollywood set forth a whole new era. From dogs, to birds, to pigs, Animal Actors contains a wide variety of animal acts and explanations behind how animals are trained and used in movies. It was rebranded as Animal Planet Live in 2001, which featured plenty of references to and cameos from people on the channel. This lasted until 2006, when the show was restored mostly to its original version. The Special Effects Stage is a rebrand of the Special Effects Stages show formerly located at the lower lot where the current Transformer, the ride, is currently located. The Special Effects Stage takes guests through demonstrations of how movie special effects are created, including motion capture, green screens, and stop-motion techniques. That said, the loss of two attractions is a great blow to those who are fans of these shows as well as those who performed them, so hopefully, the animals and those employed by these shows will find a new home somewhere else or within the Universal theme park resorts. That's all I have to say. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.